Alright guys, I got this corrugated pipe here that I got to pull some cable through. I'm going to put some solar panels up over there, so I need to run some cable through here. Now you can run fish tape through there, but this I had to do the same thing with this fish tape because it's just too flexible. I couldn't push it all the way through. So what we're doing, probably a lot of you guys know about this trick already, but you just take a shop vac and put it in the pipe, kind of seal it up as good as you can. At the other end, you just tie a bag, a garbage bag or some kind of a bag onto the end of the pull rope. So we're going to start up the shop vac, and then we're going to go back over to the other side. This is about a 100-foot pull right here. Would be a real pain in the butt with a regular fish tape because you got all these ribs, so you keep getting stuck with the fish tape, I would imagine. So let's go over to the other side. I'll start this up, and then we'll see how this is going to work. But I found this is always the best way. Easiest, quickest way to do this. All right. Get my gloves on here. You can hear the vacuum. And here we go. And that's it. We're at the other end. Let's go over there, see what we got. There we go. Easy as that. So just a quick one here. Busy pulling wire today. Still cold too. I don't know how it is where you guys are, but I'm sure you guys on the East Coast are a lot colder than here. I don't know, I think it's around 34 or something right now. Alrighty, I'll catch you all later.